Join me as I dive into the mind-blowing world of space to figure out what really happens when a black hole collides with a star. Imagine a star, the very thing that gives life and light, crossing paths with a black hole, the ultimate destroyer. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this isn't just fantasy. This is real cosmic science, and the outcome is more mind-blowing than you could ever imagine. Black holes and stars are two of the most fascinating and extreme objects in our universe. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it gets too close. Stars, on the other hand, are massive balls of hot, glowing gas that light up the night sky. What happens when these two cosmic giants collide? Understanding the dynamics and consequences of a black hole interacting with a star is a complex task. The strong gravity of the black hole can distort and disrupt the star, leading to a range of possible outcomes. Scientists have to use powerful computer simulations to model these interactions and predict what might happen. The challenge lies in the fact that black holes are notoriously difficult to observe directly, making it hard to gather data on these interactions. Furthermore, the scales involved are enormous, with black holes and stars separated by vast distances. Theorists have to rely on indirect observations, such as the detection of gravitational waves or the observation of the star's motion, to infer what's happening during these interactions. By studying the motion of stars near suspected black holes, astronomers can infer the presence of these cosmic monsters. The dynamics of black hole-star interactions are still not well understood, and scientists continue to study these events to gain a deeper understanding. The study of black holes and stars involves understanding how black holes form in the first place. Black holes are born when a massive star collapses in on itself, causing a massive amount of matter to be compressed into an incredibly small space. This compression creates an intense gravitational field that warps the fabric of space-time. When a black hole collides with a star, the outcome can be dramatic and catastrophic. If the star gets too close to the black hole, it can be torn apart by the strong tidal forces, leading to a bright flare of radiation that can be seen from millions of light years away. In some cases, the star can even be swallowed whole by the black hole, releasing a massive amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves. Astronomers have observed several cases of black holes interacting with stars, providing valuable insights into these cosmic events. The collision of a black hole with a star can also have significant effects on the surrounding environment. The energy released during the interaction can heat up the surrounding gas and dust, creating a bright and complex astrophysical phenomenon. By studying these events, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the complex interactions between black holes and their surroundings. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on space phenomena. There's plenty more to explore in the universe.